Alright, so here we have a bunch of pretty well dried out knotweed. I made sure to pick one that wasn't holding any snow, like over here. We got some there, but yeah, we'll go ahead. This stuff is dried out pretty well over here. Just do a little preview here of how this stuff works. Even after it's dried and been deactivated for a pretty long time now. I knocked most of this down. Oh boy, it would have been, what is this, February? Oh geez, that would have been September, yeah. So what you're seeing right there, this little bushel area there is the tops of them after I've knocked them down. We have a couple that are standing right here. And they grow up to about 8 feet tall. They flower real big. That's what all them little spines are there. And they stay flowered for a long time. Oh man. Did that not? Yeah, it's going. Okay. I was gonna say I was for sure that would be enough to just get a little preview here. So the ends and stems will burn fairly well. It's the shafts themselves, as you see here, that are very fire resistant just from the fibers inside it. So this one's still planted. There, let's see if we can get a. Yeah, very bamboo-like. See, they've been deactivated for a while, but they're still pretty resistant to flame. Very, very surprising stuff, I gotta tell you. Been working with it for about 6 years now, just trying different things. Like, I have an entire field of this stuff. Just fun to practice martial arts in it and all that. Oh boy, is that not going at all? Holy smokes, Batman! What's going on here? I can't tell. Man, I feel halfway done. Guess I didn't even like it. Really? What happened in here? Oh, I see. Oh, I'm an idiot. Alright, well, just gonna have to burn my hand, I guess. In the name of science. I'm not the smartest guy all the time. I've got my flaws like you and everyone. Alright, well, let's see if we can at least get her going now. It's kind of hard because I kind of got lean here. The best spot that I could find for this was here. Alright, let's just give that a second here. We'll see what happens. So anyways, the little branches are going to burn off pretty fast, and it's not actually going to be enough to really spread down that thick shaft that I was showing you guys. And as you can see along here, it grows in about 6 to 8 inch segments, a lot longer as it is at the bottom, and that actually contains water. Alright, we're getting started here. So we'll see a nice puff here as the cardboard really catches. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see how this works. No, I shouldn't be burning. Well, I mean, it's legal. It's good right here with just the cardboard and paper. But I still don't like to do it that often. Just like to try and burn off this knotweed. It's almost impossible to get rid of. But anyways, that's the point of the whole idea. We can utilize it to stop Australian wildfires. Alright, you see there's the little flowers burning off, and they burn off so quick that it doesn't really continue catching. Now, if this stuff's been watered within 10 days, it gets pretty nuts, I gotta say. Because it can actually pretty much pop the water onto the fire, and then them fibers soak up a lot of liquid, so it's very difficult for it to spread. And as you see here, even the ends, it's been taken off for even them to burn. There's the bottom of that shaft, not even burned. There's just a little flame, but still, this stuff's pretty dried out, and as we can see, the majority of that brown pile we started with is still there. So yeah, just a tiny little demonstration there. I could have piled it up, I guess, but we don't want to do that. Very difficult stuff to get rid of. It spreads only by its root system, So it can actually spread past rock here, but you can see where it spread through the rock. That's from the root system actually, and they only go about 6 to 12 inches deep. So we could actually implant some solid barriers that would prevent it from spreading, because in North America, the only kind that's over here is the kind that spreads by its roots. Wonderful stuff, ladies and gentlemen. You could probably stop some fires with that and help the bees. Alright, have a good one.